Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign.
Every time I go on a plane, I'm looking for product that we make. I'm looking for end effectors that we've touched. Parts that leave here have to function the first time, and they have to function forever. If we make a mistake, it causes an engine failure at 30,000 feet. So anything that leaves here has to be right, has to be perfect. The more demanding the job is, that's where we shine. My name is Tom Dickman. I'm the Vice President of Quality at Pointe Precision, based in Plover, Wisconsin. Pointe Precision is a tight tolerance aerospace machine shop. We like dealing with difficult tolerances. We like things that other people shy away from. Everybody here understands the mission critical parts we make. It's got to be repeatable all day, every day. We're trying to shave 10 millionths off of a product line when other people have never dealt with 10 millions.
My name is Frank Powell, and for this project, I was the product manager for grinding products for MARPOSS Corporation of North America. The challenges that were presented to be able to produce this, number one, was the part size and the fact that it had to be able to be installed into our gauge with a robot. And we had to build a system that was robust enough to survive the rigors of production, but still measure down reliably to the tolerances that the customer required, and do it repeatable, and be able to check back to NIST standards that it is in fact a true measurement.
My name is Jeff Bebout. I'm a quality engineer at Pointe Precision in Plover, Wisconsin. I've been here for 26 years. With this project, we knew we had to move forward with a new solution. We knew it wasn't going to be an easy process. Some of our tolerances we had were less than 1/100th of a piece of paper. We needed to be able to get a part off every 2 to 5 minutes. We needed it to be able to gauge the part and auto-compensate to the machine without operator intervention. And the foot space it took up, shop space is valuable. We needed it to fit within the area we had available. United Grinding and MARPOSS were the two companies who showed us they could do it and were comfortable doing it.
My name's Andrew Osborne. I'm the Vice President of Sales for the Cylindrical Group for United Grinding North America. My role on this project was to help our engineering team conceptualize and come through on manufacturing these aerospace components. Holding a tolerance of 1/10,000th of an inch is difficult even for a single piece, but to do it at scale requires extraordinary engineering. Having world-class partners in this project was the only way that we could achieve these tight tolerances in this lights-out production setting.
I've been to 100 machine shops. Everybody wants to talk automation. Very few people are bringing 3 different pieces of equipment together, automating them in one prepackaged solution. This is as technically difficult, specifically from a tolerance standpoint, a location standpoint, that we've seen.
When we selected MARPOSS in the M39S gauges, we had high confidence that they would provide what we needed, and they did not fail. They say the gauges check these tolerances, what we need, and the gauge R&Rs that gauges produce are excellent.
MARPOSS was the only choice for this. Their solution is as technically sound and as repeatable as anything we've ever seen. They jumped in right away. They had it in the bag. The numbers they were very comfortable with. Almost no other gauge supplier we've dealt with was going to deal with that. In addition, the speed in which this gauge checks our product versus some old school traditional inspection equipment was like 10-to-1 on the speed factor.
This project to me showed that a customer can bring a challenging project that requires a high level of technical ability, as well as keeping the bottom line in mind, producing a solution that gives them the output to satisfy their customer for their business growth.
The results of this partnership between all 3 of us has shown in just our 0% reject from our customer. These sales have been a game changer for our business. Not only have they helped us make our customers very happy, they're going to allow us to grow and take on even more of this business in the future.
I would definitely recommend MARPOSS and United Grinding. This was an easy choice, and it's definitely been value added to the business. And it really has showed us what a turnkey should look like, especially in a difficult space like this.